What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Entertainment, bringing y'all this crispy 4K entertainment. Hope y'all voted today, because I did, before you even knew what entertainment. So listen, y'all, we are doing a lacing tutorial. I haven't done one of these in a minute. Last time I did a lacing tutorial, every time I do a lacing tutorial, it does really great. I think I did the dunks last time, and I hit y'all with a little bit of clickbait and had the Travis Scott dunk in the freaking thumbnail, but I didn't own the shoe. But then I got the shoe like a week later, and that one didn't get as much views as the clickbait video, which was crazy. So anywho, we're doing a not a review, lacing tutorial on Jordan 4's. Now, I just recently picked up a Jordan 4 that is very dear to me, very dope. You know, one of those ones I needed part of the collection. Now, I remember I told y'all I needed the bread, and for some reason, y'all, I got rid of my bread 4's. Do not get mad at me. I don't know what I was thinking, but I got some heat. Let me show y'all. Y'all ready? Let's get it. The Jordan 4 Cactus Jack Travis Scott. These are crazy. Let's get a little bit of B-roll. Let's do it. Y'all, so your boy was able to come up on these, and yeah, shout out to the guys over at Courtside for these. I think this shoe came out 2 years ago, and it wasn't reselling for much. Like, it really wasn't going crazy. So when it wasn't reselling for much, I really didn't even care. I didn't even know who Travis Scott was, honestly. I ain't even gonna hold it. So I just kind of ignored the sneaker. Throughout the years, the sneaker has upped in price. Once I kept seeing them on feet, this, that, and the third, I was like, yo, I want these. But it's so hard to find a good pair because this shoe was like the uncleanable shoe. Like, once this shoe gets dirty, you have to do some sort of magic to clean this shoe, because all the ones I seen that was available was brown and just crazy, you know what I mean? So I finally found a good enough pair for me, still blue, good money. Now, the right shoe does have a little creasing in it, but the left shoe was good. And yeah, your boy pulled the trigger on these. Now, don't get mad at me out there in the YouTube world. I did not spend the $1,000 whatever for these. I did get rid of my Travis Scott lows, the Jordan 1 lows. Those had to go. I don't know what it was. For some reason, I just didn't know how to wear that shoe, so I had to let it go. I'm sorry. But we do have these instead, so it is what it is. Now, if y'all can see the way I laced it right here, it's more of a new, unique style of lacing, pretty much. You know, the I don't know what they call these, the wings on the 4's or whatever are normally just flapping around or whatever, but I found a way to pin them down to the side of the shoe and still have that loose lace look right here. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So without further ado, sit back, because this is in 4K, so y'all gonna see this crystal clear. Y'all ain't even got nothing to worry about. Let's get it. All right, y'all, we got our black wax laces, what the shoe comes with or whatever. So what we're gonna do right now is this is where the tricky part comes. Normally we go in the bottom eyelid, but since, you know, they have the little mini wings on the bottom here, we start off with the middle. We starting off with the middle. That's how we gonna do this. You go through the middle, then you make everything even, all right? Let's do it. All right, now that everything is even, now we're just gonna go from the outside in all the way up. All right, let's do it. Alright, y'all, so the end product should look something just like this, you know what I mean? We're not done, but it's a loose lace all the way up till you get to the wings. Once you get to the wings, you stop. Now here's where you're gonna pin the wings to the side of the shoe and give it that fire look, you know what I mean? Here's how you're gonna do this. Let me show y'all, look close. Let me change the camera angle for y'all, or the angle of the shoe so y'all can see it a little clearer. Alright, let's do it. Keep your same pattern, you know, when you cross it, just like that. Now what we're gonna do, you're gonna go through the middle. You're gonna go through the middle of the wing, just like that. The top middle of the wing. See right there? That's the middle. You got 3 up here. We're gonna go through the middle, just like this, and then we're gonna bring it right back in through the middle of the wing. If that makes any sense to you guys, I'm gonna show y'all a little closer. The middle of the wing. Let me show y'all real quick, and it'll look just like that. Can y'all see that? It'll just braid through the wing just like that. Do the same thing with the other side. Go through the top middle, through the wing, bang. just like this, then go through the middle. And that's it. That's the complete job, just like that. That's all you need. Now, you ain't got to worry about your wings flapping everywhere. You ain't got to worry about your strings hanging and then they get caught in here and you got to fix all that. That's how your shoe is going to look at the end, in the end. You know what I mean? You got enough room in here so that you see this crease, so that this doesn't happen. You know what I mean? Right here, loose lace your shoe so you don't have no problem. You know what I mean? Here's both shoes, lace just like this, nice and neat, fire. You can almost slide your feet in here if you want to and ain't got to worry about nothing. It's going with the rest of your day. And that's pretty much it right there, y'all, man. Hopefully you guys do like that. That's how they're gonna look, nice and smooth, man. These is dope, man. Listen, don't wear these in the rain. I don't know what to tell you nothing to do with it, but just don't, because I've seen some that just can't come back to life. It's impossible. You know what I mean? So yeah, let me know if you guys like this lacing style that I found, that I made up. I don't know what we're gonna call it, just whatever. How I lace my Jordan 4's. That's how we're gonna call it. That's what we're gonna call it. You know what I mean? Before we end the video, I'm gonna do it on foot real quick with these, just to show y'all what they look like on feet. Something light or whatever, and let me know if you guys like them on foot, and you know, the new lacing style or whatever. Because it's your boy Mr. Entertainment, bringing y'all this crispy, clear 4K entertainment before you even knew what entertainment, y'all. Peace.